Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to turn your interior design sketch into images with OpenArt. So, let us begin. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to OpenArt AI. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Sketch to Image. On the left-hand side, you can either click to select or drag and drop your interior design sketch for uploading. When it comes to styles, just click on Interior Design for this project. Once your sketch is uploaded, click Create. Witness the magic as your sketch seamlessly transforms into a stunning image. For a more detailed view, simply click on the generated image. It's as simple as that. Unlock your creative potential and bring your interior design visions to life with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.